Un'insalata semplice. All of you always, the question is, Lidia, how do you make a salad? What are the right proportion? And actually, I have right here, Marcy Pastor from New York, and she wants to know, what are your steadfast rules when it comes to salad dressing? I always get overwhelmed. Well, it is the simplest thing. All right, so let's begin. You can choose your salad by the different kinds of greens or reds or endives. And each one of these salads has its particular qualities and taste. Boston lettuce, very soft and sweet. Let's put some right in here. Radicchio is an endive family, pronounced a little bitter but sweet at the same time. Let's put some of that. How about arugula? Very peppery, very pronounced in taste. Let's put a little bit of that. Endive, a little bitter and a little sweet, but a lot of crunch. Let's put some of that. Okay. And then romaine, which you have certainly plenty in the stores most of the time. It has crunch, it's resilient, it doesn't wilt right away. Let's put just a little bit of salt, and now the dressing. The dressing is about oil and acidity. And usually the ratio of that is 1/3 acidity to 2/3 olive oil. A good olive oil is a must in a salad. Vinegars are another element that you can play with. You have red wine vinegar, you have champagne vinegar, you have white wine vinegar, you have balsamic vinegar. You can use lemon juice. I like wine vinegar. Just keep in mind that once you've dressed your salad, the acidity begins to wilt the salad. So dress at the last minute. And fresh pepper. On my salad, black pepper. And the tossing, lightly tossing. You should have enough dressing to coat every leaf, but you don't want a puddle underneath. So this is a salad that is ready to be served. So, as simple as this. I am just gonna taste. Perfect. Do taste. That will tell you, do I need more acidity? Do I need a little bit more oil? And voila, l'insalata è pronta.